Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here, because this space is all about fun, learning, and exciting content that you'll definitely enjoy. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, because the more we grow, the more amazing content I can bring for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. Let's go. The 5-cent euro coin issued in 2012 is a small but interesting piece of modern European coinage that combines a standardized common design with subtle national differences, and it plays a useful role in everyday transactions across the euro area. Measuring 21.25 mm in diameter and weighing 3.92 grams, the coin is made of copper-plated steel, which gives it the distinctive reddish-brown color common to the 1, 2 and 5 cent denominations. Its thickness and light weight make it easy to handle while still being robust enough for millions of circulation passes. On the common reverse designed by the Royal Belgian Mint's designer Luc Lux, the 5 cent shows a globe with the EU highlighted in vertical lines, 12 stars around the perimeter representing the European Union, and the denomination, 5 euro cent, usually shown as the numeral and words in the currency's standard layout. This reverse communicates the coin's value clearly and visually ties it to the pan-European identity the euro represents. The obverse varies by issuing country. Each Eurozone member state has the right to mint national designs on the front face, and in 2012 those national sides reflected a mix of traditional motifs, national symbols, portraits of monarchs or important figures, heraldic designs, or modern emblematic images depending on the minting nation. Regardless of which country produced a particular 5 cent, it remains legal tender throughout the entire euro area. The coin's edge is smooth, and its magnetic copper-plated steel construction was chosen for cost efficiency and durability while also allowing straightforward sorting by vending machines and coin handling equipment. Historically, the 5-cent coin and its sibling copper coins were introduced with the euro's launch in 2002 to cover small value transactions and to replace a variety of small denomination national coinages. By 2012 the design language of euro coins had matured and many countries were issuing commemorative or updated national obverses while keeping the common reverse intact. In circulation use, the 5 cent performs the everyday task of providing change for small purchases, and while some countries and retailers adopted rounding practices for cash totals, rounding to the nearest 5 or 10 cents, a behavioral response to the low purchasing power of small cents, the 5 cent remained widely used for a decade after introduction and is still important for exact cash payments. From a collecting perspective, 2012 dated 5 cent coins are generally common and not rare, because each Eurozone mint produced them in large numbers for day-to-day use. However, collectors pay attention to specific national obverse designs, mint marks, die varieties, and low mintage collector issues that year. For example, certain countries issued smaller runs or special versions that can be more interesting and slightly more valuable to numismatists. Grading condition dramatically affects collectible value. A well-worn circulated 5 cent from 2012 is worth face value to most people, but an uncirculated mint set example or a proof struck for collectors can command a premium depending on the issuing country and demand. Authentication is usually straightforward. Check the weight, diameter, magnetic response, and look for the common reverse details and the country-specific obverse. Counterfeit attempts tend to be rare for low-value coins, but obvious mismatches in metal color, poor detail, or wrong dimensions indicate a problem. In terms of environmental and production notes, copper-plated steel was used for the copper coins to reduce cost and reliance on pure copper. The plating achieves the desired appearance while the steel core ensures the mechanical properties needed for machines and handling. Over time, some circulating coins show greener spots where the copper plating has worn and the steel core is exposed to moisture, so simple cleaning by gentle rubbing, never harsh chemicals, can restore appearance for collectors, though such cleaning is not recommended if you intend to preserve collector grades since it can lower the coin's numismatic value. Culturally, the 5 cent coin represents the practical side of the euro, a small denomination coin that nevertheless required careful pan-European coordination when the currency was launched, balancing national pride through obverse designs with the necessity of standardization, common reverse and technical specs. If you are preparing a 10-minute talk around this coin, you can expand each of these points. Open with the coin's physical specs and materials, describe the reverse and how it symbolizes EU unity, then walk through examples of national obverse themes from 2012 monarch portraits, national emblems, or famous cultural figures depending on the country, explain circulation and rounding practices that affected small cents, discuss collecting and grading with practical tips for authentication and storage, use coin flips, acid-free holders, keep in stable humidity, and finish with a brief mention of economic and manufacturing considerations that influenced the copper-plated steel choice and the environmental impact of coin production. If you'd like, I can convert this long paragraph into a structured 10-minute speech with time cues, e.g., 1 minute for specs, 3 minutes for design and symbolism, 3 minutes for circulation and economics, 2 minutes for collecting, 1 minute conclusion. Produce a shorter version for a social media caption, or provide a country-specific 2012 obverse write-up, for example, the 2012 5 cent from Germany, France, Italy, Spain, the Netherlands, etc., with mintage figures and images. Tell me which country you want and I'll give the precise national details next. The 5 euro cent coin issued in 2011 is a small, warm-colored coppery coin that forms part of the euro coin series introduced across euro area countries when the euro currency entered circulation in 2002. It represents 1/20th of a euro and is intended primarily for everyday, low-value transactions, but like every coin it also carries design, production and collecting interest. Physically the coin is thin, lightweight and easy to handle. It is struck from copper-plated steel, a steel core plated with a layer of copper, which gives it its characteristic reddish-brown color and magnetic behavior, an important production choice because it keeps cost and weight low while giving a durable finish. The common European side of every 5-cent euro coin, the side that is identical across participating countries, was created by the Belgian sculptor-engraver Luc Lux. It shows a map motif and denomination elements that tie it visually to the rest of the euro cents and to the overall euro coin family, while the national side varies by issuing country and reflects local motifs, portraits, coats of arms, or culturally meaningful imagery chosen by that country's minting authority. In 2011, individual national mints across the Eurozone struck their own versions bearing their national reverse designs. For example, some countries used portrait busts of monarchs or presidents, others used national symbols or historic figures, but all adhered to the common side and the overall technical standards for size and weight so the coins circulate interchangeably across the euro area. Technically the 5-cent coin has a smooth edge, a modest diameter and light mass that make it practical as change. The copper plating can dull with time and circulation, developing characteristic patina and surface wear that tell a story about usage. In everyday commerce the coin functions as legal tender in all euro countries and is accepted at face value everywhere in the currency area. Because its face value is small, most 5-cent pieces seen in circulation show heavy wear and are typically worth only their face value to ordinary users. However, collectors look for specific variants, mint marks, uncirculated examples, proof strikes and minting errors that can raise a coin's value above 5 cents. Errors that attract collectors include mistrikes, off-center strikes, double strikes, wrong planchette issues, or unusual die defects. Certain low mintage national issues or special collector sets issued by particular mints in 2011 or surrounding years can also be scarce and sought after. For preservation and collecting, uncirculated or proof 5-cent coins stored in mint condition in original packaging or airtight holders are the most desirable to collectors. Avoid cleaning circulated coins aggressively. Abrasive cleaning quickly destroys original luster and can reduce collector value drastically. Instead, store problem-free coins in soft, inert holders. Avoid exposing copper-plated surfaces to acidic environments or moisture, and handle coins by the rim to prevent oils from your fingers causing discoloration. If you are assessing a 2011 5-cent from a specific country, note the national side carefully, the country code, mint mark, if present, and any unusual inscriptions or privy marks are the keys that separate an ordinary circulation strike from a collectible variant. Pricing in the collector market for ordinary circulated 5-cent coins remains close to face value. Modest premiums may exist for crisp uncirculated examples or for coins presented in official mint sets from 2011. And significant premiums occur only for authenticated error coins or very small official mintages. Always check auction records or reputable numismatic catalogs for specific sale results when estimating value. Historically, the 5-cent coin plays a social role beyond its monetary worth. Tucked into piggy banks, used to round cash totals, or accumulated by children, it is one of the most common tangible interactions citizens have with currency, and its small size and distinctive color help it remain recognizable even after years in wallets or coin dishes. Whether you're a casual holder who wants to know how to care for the coin or a beginning collector looking to identify interesting specimens from 2011, start by photographing both sides under good light, noting any mint marks or unusual features, and comparing the coin to reference images from a trusted catalog or the issuing country's mint. For serious collecting, seek coins with original mint packaging or obtain grading by a reputable third party to confirm condition and authenticity. In short, the 2011 €5 cent is an unassuming but interesting little piece of modern European coinage, commonplace in circulation but with potential for numismatic interest if you find a well-preserved example, a rare national variant, or an authentic minting error, and treating it carefully, learning to spot key identifiers like the national reverse and mint marks, and consulting reliable references will help you understand whether a particular 2011 specimen is simply everyday pocket change or a small, quietly valuable collectible. If you'd like, I can now convert this into a titled description, a 10-line summary, or produce a separate short description and hashtags for posting. Tell me which format you prefer and which issuing country's 2011 5-cent coin you have, and I'll make it. The €5 cent coin, face value 5 cents, is one of the 3 small copper-colored euro denominations and was produced in preparation for the euro's launch. Although euro cash entered circulation in 2002, many national mints struck coins dated 1999 when the euro was introduced as an accounting currency, so a 1999 date on a 5-cent simply marks the year of issue struck by that country rather than the year the coin first circulated. The coin's common reversed side was designed by Belgian medalist Luc Lux and shows a small globe with the then EU members highlighted, to the right, 6 diagonal lines with 12 stars at their ends, and the large numeral 5, followed by the words Euro cent. The designer's initials, LL, appear beside the globe. This common motif unifies all national issues while the national obverse side carries country-specific imagery. For example, France uses the sower, young tree motifs or Marianne depending on series. Italy shows the Colosseum. Germany and Austria have heraldic or portrait elements, and each nation's obverse also bears its own inscription, monogram and the year. Physically, the 5 cent is small and light. Diameter about 21.25 millimeters, mass approximately equals 3.92 grams, thickness approximately equals 1.67 millimeters, smooth edge, and is made of copper-plated steel, so the coin is magnetic. These specs have remained stable since the coin's introduction. Because the common reverse was created for the original 15-member EU, it originally highlighted EU 15 on the globe. Later subtle updates to the common side were introduced for newer issues, for example typographic tweaks from 2017 onward, but the overall look stayed recognizably the same. Collectors look at several factors with 1999 dated 5-cent coins. The issuing country and its national obverse design. Some national designs changed later, making early types more interesting. Mint marks and low mintage issues. Condition, uncirculated pieces and mint sets command modest premiums, and rare errors, off-center strikes, double-struck or planchette anomalies which can be worth substantially more to specialists. In everyday life, the 5 cent is the smallest common unit after the 1 and 2 cent coins in countries that retain them. In many retail contexts, the coin is still used for exact change, though some countries round cash totals. In short, the 1999 dated €5 cent is a tiny but historically telling piece. A standard circulation coin with a pan-European common reverse and a wide variety of national obverses, produced in copper-plated steel with stable technical specs and a modest but active collector market for particular dates, national types and error specimens.